Alright, today we're just going to make a quick video, show you how to edit a PDF in Microsoft Word. Not everybody can afford the Adobe Cloud to get the PDF, may not have it, their PDF program or some other program. But you may have Microsoft Word through Office 365 or whatever. So I've got the folder open that I have a PDF that I had used in a previous video. And I'm just going to open it up, and I'm going to open it up Word. So open with, and notice here, Word's not in my selection, so I'm just going to choose another app here. Go down, find Microsoft Word, and then I'm just going to do it just this once. And it's asking me, and I'm going to say yes, open it up. And now this document is a Word document. I can do anything I need to do. I can add stuff, remove stuff, delete logos, whatever your Word document happens to be. It's opened up. It's a Word document now, or your PDF document, whatever it was. It is now a Word document. So you could do whatever it is that you could do in Word, you can now do on this document. The only thing you need to do is when you're finished making the edits you want to make is you need to go to File, Save As. And you notice here we got the default here is save as a .docx document. We don't want to do that. We want to save as a PDF. And we'll say new here. And we're just going to save it. And it's going to open up. I use PDF Element to do all my PDF work in. So it opened up as a PDF in my PDF Element here. And that's really all there is to it, is that simple. So if you don't have Adobe Acrobat, but you do have Microsoft Word, then you're not stuck. You can work on your PDFs. If this has helped, how about leaving a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and you have a good day.